Chapter 9. More about Scratch Junior. Topics covered. Steps of opening Scratch Junior. Parts of the Scratch Junior window. Block categories. Steps of opening Scratch Junior. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click Scratch Junior Open Source Commonly folder. Step 3. Click Scratch Junior. Step 4. Click Home. Step 5. Click plus to open a new project. Parts of the Scratch Junior window. Let's see and understand different parts of Scratch Junior window. 1. Home button is used to save the project and return to home page. 2. Stage is where all the actions, animation, take place. To delete the character, we need to long press on it. 3. Background button is used to change or create the background of the stage. 4. Text button is used to add text on the stage. 5. We click on the green flag to start all the programming on the stage that begins with a start on green flag block in the script. 6. This button is used to select the different pages in the project. When we click on the plus sign, a new page is added. 7. Undo or redo button is used to undo the mistake in the script. 8. Programming area is the place where you connect the different blocks to make a program.
9.
The programming blocks are used to create a program. You can click and drag the blocks to programming area to make them run. 10. Block categories are where you select the category of programming block. For example, blue block is motion block.
11.
Characters. Different characters are shown here which are used in the program. Select the character by tapping on it. You can add more characters by clicking in plus sign, and to remove a character, long press on it. A cross sign will appear. Click on it.
12.
Presentation button helps to expand the page to full screen to run the program. 13. Grid button is used to toggle the X and Y grid. 14. Reset button is used to reset the position of all the characters to their starting position. 15. Project information. With this button you can change the title of the project, see all the information about it when it is created, and share the project. Block categories. Let's see the different block categories in Scratch Junior. 1. Triggering blocks. Start on bump, touched by another character. Send message, of the specified color. Start on green flag. Start on tap. Start on message of the specified color. 2. Motion blocks. Move right. Move up. Turn right. Hop. Move left. Move down. Turn left. Go home. 3. Looks blocks. Say. Shrink. Hide. Grow. Reset size. Show. 4. Sound blocks. Top. Play recorded sound. 5. Control blocks. Wait. Set speed. Stop. Repeat. 6. End blocks. End. Go to page. Repeat forever. Let's make animation of camel in a desert in Scratch Junior. In this part, we will learn how to make an animation in Scratch Junior. How we can use this software to make our sprite move, speak, and to change the backgrounds and text tool. Open the Scratch Junior window. Step 1. Delete the sprite by a long press on the sprite itself. Step 2. Click on the background button and add a new background city to the stage. We can also draw our own background by using paint icon. Step 3. Select the desired background and click on button. Step 4. Click on the character button and add 2 new characters, one bionic camel and cactus, to the stage. Now, We will program the sprites to move and talk to each other. We will use different blocks to program the sprite so that both of them talk to each other. The characters appear on the screen. Step 5. Click on the first character, camel, button and program the sprite.
1.
Click on the event category and add green flag block. 2. Click on the motion category and add move block. Change the number to 6 steps. 3. Click on looks category and add say block. Type the message hi on the block. 4. Click on end category and add end. Step 6. Click on second character button. Step 7. Program the sprite as shown in the figure. Click on the green flag to see your sprites walking and tailing. In Scratch Junior, we can change the scene to make our story animation more lively and creative. To add a new scene, click on the Add Page button. Step 8. Click on the plus sign to add a new page. Step 9. Remove the sprite present on the stage by a long press on it. Add the background to the stage. Step 10. Click on the background button. Step
11.
Click on desert background and click button. Step
12.
We can make changes in our background using the paint button. The edited background is added to the stage. Step 13. We can make water effect in our back in this window. Step 14. Click on the end category and add to change the scene. Try the script by clicking on the green flag. As we have added new scene on the stage and programmed the sprite to go on the next page, now we will make a new scene on the next page. Add the same camel and cactus that were there in the first scene. Now, we will program both the sprites separately to animate the scene. We will program the first camel sprite. Step 15. Select the first sprite. Add blocks from different categories as shown. We will program the cactus sprite now. Step 16. Select the second sprite. Code in the same way as shown here. Cyber Tidbits. We can make sprite appear and disappear from the stage by different blocks available in Looks category. Fun at Jungle. Now, code in the same way as shown here as create your own story. Look and enjoy seeing a monkey, butterfly and bird having fun at jungle.